Welcome to guys my new video. So my name is Vikas Sonia. That I'm so my HTML tag. I'm showing your profile page to HTML. This is a top type HTML. This is HTML5 page and HTML language using for English. Head part to page C. What you show the screen. Okay, meta character for meta character usually like language and use Hindi, English and Chinese. Anything to not use then is uh, like destroy the question, show the question mark. Okay, and meta name you meta name usually used for our website is user friendly. Yes, and screen to our another mobile use convert to same screen. Okay, title show our browser in top and body right to our all thing I am right. You see this Google anything website you also see that right to body. Okay, and also header part used for like my profile. This is my main profile heading page. Okay, this is heading and this navigation bar used for UL used for bullet 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 dot, and this is our links in my header page, so the links some link, and BR tag also used for break line, and div I am also say div is used for I am write CSS, then this very easily I am convert this anything use colors and write to name. This I am used for div, and image by image for image this is link image link, and alt by views alt by chance my image is not so, then I am write my image. This is so help to show our website. Okay, and h2 I also say this sub heading part h2, and paragraph to write about me, and strong use for strong words to the our website, and div also explain the I am using CSS then helping me, and using also class and name, and UL use for word line also, and this is I am write list, but I am not using list.
Can you see clear?
Yes.
Any problem? No
Yeah.
problem. So I see there.
Yes.
Everything is clear. So many
Yes.
problem.
This is
Thank you.
div, and I am also explain how to use, and this is used for like use for CSS, and this is body part is also done. I am not used for footer. Okay, because I have no need footer, then I am not use footer, but this is our I'm showing our this is I use for heading part, so header h1 use for main heading, and this is our link, and this is my email, and h2 this is strong word, so me strong hobbies my goals. Okay, you also write your beginner that you also write this is what is this anything. Okay, thank you for watching video. Meet to next video. Thank you.